Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make card swipe machine with cardboard easy method. Start by cutting a rectangular base and a vertical frame, then create a smooth slot aligned to standard card width. Add layered cardboard guides to center the card and tape edges securely. Insert a thin magnet inside the slot area to mimic sensor interaction. Test swipes slowly and adjust guides until the card passes evenly with minimal friction. In this video, I will explain how to make card swipe machine with cardboard easy method. Lay out materials and measure twice before cutting to save time and keep parts aligned. Cut 2 identical side supports and a base, then glue or tape them together firmly. Create a top cover with a slot slit slightly wider than the card thickness. Reinforce edges with tape to prevent wear during repeated swipes. In this video, I will review how to make card swipe machine with cardboard easy method. Quick note, if you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like, it really helps the channel. On another note, life's too short for a stinky car. Grab little trees, black ice as a small treat for yourself while you craft. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help how to make card swipe machine with cardboard easy method. Secure the supports to the base and ensure the slot stays straight as you add the top cover. Place the magnet or mock sensor just beneath the slot at card midpoint and secure it so it does not shift. Run several test swipes and adjust guide angles for minimal drag. Finish by reinforcing stress points to extend the model's life.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.